Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Carmela Bell, and today I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to apply these magnetic lashes from Victori'Ahh's Vanity. In our package is one set of eyelashes, a magnetic liquid eyeliner, and a magnetic applicator and comb on one end. Also in the package are these Q-tips which have your makeup remover on the go. Let's get into putting on these lashes. The magnetic liner is the only adhesive you will need to attach your lashes. Dip it back into the tube to allow time for the other eyeliner to dry. Prepare to put on the eyeliner on the other eye. Now you are ready to apply your lashes. Using the applicator, pick up the lashes from one end and apply them directly to your lash line. Of course, using the eyelash liner applicator is your personal choice. I prefer to use my fingers for this second lash. I'm demonstrating to you how you can apply your lashes using either the applicator or your finger. And just like that, you're done. Magnetic lashes are applied and they look beautiful. And the good thing about Victori'Ahh's Vanity is when you're done and you're ready to remove them, you have your make no mistake ready to use makeup remover on the go Q-tips. Check out Victori'Ahh's Vanity, make some purchases. This is Mrs. Carmela Bell reminding you to support